Davison 2014 Street Glide. I got stock pipes on here, and I'm going to be installing these. These are the Freedom Performance HD00178, I believe. So to give us a good point of reference, I got a little sound meter here. So let's go ahead and give this a start real quick. Alright, so about 95. Okay, so that peaks out at about 110. Back with the final results. As you can see, we got both pipes installed. Heat shields fit on a little weird afterwards, but that's fine. They fit on a little better, I guess, if you slid the pipes back. But I wanted about the same coverage as I had on the old pipes. So, let's go ahead and switch this on. And get ready to light her off. There we go. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead . Alright, so as you can see, about a 10 decibel difference at idle, and about 10 on rev up too. So pretty significant difference. Sounds a lot deeper. Sounds a lot better. So ultimately, very satisfied. You can also get the quiet baffles from them. I think they're like $120 or something. Don't quote me on that. And I imagine it quieted down a little, but I like the way it is.